Hi ladies, welcome to Sarah's Confident Beauties. I'm Sarah Hingle, a Pink Status Younique presenter, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this very subtle, very pretty eye look with these three Splurge Cream shadows. So, the first color I'm using is Bittersweet, which is this nice coral, light coral pink, and I'm going to apply it with a crease brush, and I've already done this eye, so I'm going to just do this other eye. And I already applied my eye primer. And I'm going to kind of get this, it's a very light color, so I'm just going to apply it almost all over my lashes with the crease brush. And kind of building up that color. This is kind of like a base, but I also want it to be kind of a transition color. It's very light on camera, but such a pretty coral. Okay. The next color I'm going to use is Defiant. It's a copper shimmer, which is really pretty. And a little goes a long ways, and I'm using my cap. Since there's some in my cap, I've been just getting it on my brush and my cap, swirling it around to get it really on my brush, and then applying it. Because I don't want it to get all streaky. And this I'm starting in my, kind of my outer corner, my V, and then kind of working my way, blending it softly in. Such a pretty combination. And you could honestly leave it at that and call it good because it's so pretty together. But I'm going to add the hopeful color as well. So that is the next color I'm going to use. Super pretty. Hopeful is one of my all-time favorite colors. It is a very shimmery light pink. Super shimmery light pink. It was exclusive, it's not anymore, to our Defend Innocence bundle, which was one of our kudos, but it was such a popular color that they came back out with it. And this I'm going to apply to my lid, kind of my inner corner. There we go. So pretty. Love it. And then I'm going to use a blending brush to blend those kind of together. That's what I love about our cream shadows. You can still blend them. They're dried to a powder finish. So even though they're cream, you can still get the you can still blend them. So pretty. Okay, then I'm going to apply a coat. I already done my 3D over here, so I'm going to do my 3D on my other eye. So it's even. I wouldn't want to walk out of the house like that without any mascara on one eye. That would kind of be weird. Get a nice coat of the gel before I put the fibers on. I'm trying to make this kind of a quick video. Press on those fibers. And then I usually switch to the other eye, but I've already done the other eye, so I'm going to just seal it up with another coat of gel. And then last but not least, I'm going to add with a little bit, oh yeah, I forgot. little bit of mascara on my lash. I don't usually put mascara on my lower lash. And then I'm going to end with a little bit of eyeliner on my lower lashes. And there it is. Super, super pretty, super soft look. I love it. Super great combination. Thanks for watching, ladies. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook or, yeah, message me. Feel free. Bye.